Hello students, I am from EME Technologies, one of the leading software development company. Today I am going to tell you about a technology known as mean, but I am not going to use A in this. That will be in my coming series. Right now what I am going to do is I am going to use MongoDB for database, then I will have Express for navigation purpose, and then I will have Node for integration purpose. I will make a software, a server in any, you can use any text editor like Notepad++, Sublime++, Notepad, and then you can make a server, and before using the server you have to install certain libraries. For that what you will do, npm network package manager install, then for example Express, then you press enter. After that what do, you write node, then you write server. Before this also one step, which notepad server.js. In this you will be using the, you can see that I've used the libraries like Express, body parser, MongoDB, then I've created a server, then I've created the URLs. After this what you will do, you will say node. After node what you will do, you will write server. What you will do now, you will go to your browser and write localhost colon 3000. Then you will have admin, then you will have the same, here you will have company name, phone, because it is a job, skill set, experience, what do you want to add, what company, what phone number, what salary, which area, Chandigarh, Bombay, whatever. Address can also be the same. What skill set? Salary. What area, what address, skill set, what experience, what submit, what admin, view all. Here is it. Customer want to view, customer can also view the jobs, but with a slight restrictions. Because we want this thing to happen with the help of the company, not directly. He will be able to see the sector, skill set, experience required, no salary, no nothing. And then he can require that who's the person who has done it, who requires it, what is his address. Then after that what you will do, you can go over here, you can book. That's it. Now if you say admin, you say view all, you will not find that. Thank you very much.